Think you already know everything about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Think again. Hidden inside this phone are powerful AI features, camera tricks, and productivity tools that most people never discover. Today, I'll show you some hidden Galaxy S26 Ultra features. If you're new here, welcome to Tech Vista, where we explore the latest smartphones, gadgets, AI tools, and technology. Let's jump straight into the hidden features. Feature 1. Privacy display. Ever worried about someone reading your screen while you're on a bus, train, or in a cafe? The Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces privacy display. With one tap, the screen becomes much harder for people beside you to see, while remaining clear from directly in front. It's a great feature for protecting messages, banking apps, and personal information in public. Feature 2. Photo Assist. Want to remove unwanted people or objects from your photos? Photo Assist uses AI to erase distractions, move subjects, and even fill in the background naturally. What used to take minutes in editing apps now takes just a few taps. Feature 3. Circle to search. See something interesting while browsing? Instead of opening a search engine, simply circle it on your screen. Galaxy AI instantly identifies products, landmarks, text, and more without interrupting what you're doing. Feature 4. Smarter Camera AI. The Galaxy S26 Ultra automatically recognizes scenes like food, pets, sunsets, and people, then adjusts exposure, colors, and detail to help you get better-looking photos with little effort. Feature 5. S Pen Air Commands. The built-in S Pen is more than a stylus. You can use it to take notes, sketch ideas, navigate apps, or trigger shortcuts, making the Galaxy S26 Ultra a productivity powerhouse. Feature 6. Horizontal Lock. With horizontal lock enabled, the phone captures a much wider view than what you see on screen. It then uses built-in sensors to track exactly how much your hands are tilting. In real time, the AI crops into the image and rotates it in the opposite direction of your movement. As a result, the horizon stays completely flat and upright. Which hidden Galaxy S26 Ultra feature impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Vista for more smartphone tips and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.